get these products out into the field with our customers and ensure that our product strategies and programs match well with what our customers are doing. I'll pause here, hand over to you, Mike, and then get cracking.
Yeah, thank you. I'm Mike Foster. I've had the privilege to serve as the Chief Technology Officer for Allison Transmission. The responsibilities really are bringing these new technologies to the market as we think about the commercial vehicle space, all the tech trends and the disruptions that are coming. I'm fortunate enough to be a part of these programs and work with the entire Allison Transmission family. So we're going to take some time here this morning to try to describe our electrified products that you see here in our booth, answer as many questions as we can. Really, this will be a great opportunity to be interactive, so don't hesitate to stop and ask questions as we talk about the products and the programs going forward. So maybe just to kind of kick it off, we're going to talk about the 130 and the 100D today. It's a product that we introduced back in 2019, and we have a smaller version also located in our booth. I'd welcome everybody to take a look at. But this is really our fully integrated electrified axle solution. We have within this product almost 650 peak kilowatts of power, 450 kilowatts of continuous power. There are 2 motors located within this product and a 2-speed gearbox. What we like about this product is the packaging of that much power into the product, but the flexibility to mount within existing frame rails, existing chassis. As we know, there's a lot of different product configurations out there, and we think this 100D, 130D is a perfect product for those heavy-duty segments. With those powers, with the torque capability of almost 47,000 newton meters at launch, this is really targeted at those 6x2, 4x2 heavy-duty applications. The amount of power and torque is enough to launch on those grades, but also be able to provide those highway cruising speeds. So, Alex, you want to talk a little bit about some of the applications that we're looking to go at here with this product?
Yeah, so thanks, Mike. So just a bit about the nomenclature, right? We have the 100D, that stands for 10.4 tons dual motor. That's really suited to the North American on-highway market. We have the 130D, which stands for 13 tons. As I'm sure you're all aware, 13-ton gross axle weight rating is what's typical in Europe and other parts of the world as well. And so with the 130D as it is here today, that's really targeting European on-highway OEMs. And where we've already seen success is in fire and emergency with Emergency One, the UK's largest fire and emergency bodybuilder. And most recently with Quantron, where we announced a development partnership there yesterday. And you can actually see at their booth the 130D integrated into their new hydrogen fuel cell vehicle was something that we're really excited about. And before Mike dives in a little bit more into the tech, where did this product come from? Why did Allison develop it? We've been in the market for many, many years, decades, with our conventional transmission products, and then as of 2003 with our electric hybrid products. But it became clear not too long ago that we needed to do more around electrified propulsion. And so in April 2019, Allison acquired what was then known as Axletech Electric Vehicle Systems, which was a company that was developing e-axles for the commercial vehicle space and had a number of prototypes and customer programs. And we brought those over, integrated the team, the technology, the processes, the manufacturing, know-how and capabilities into the wider Allison group, and took that prototype, which looked similar to this, but really upgraded it, new components, new design for manufacture, new design for assembly, and really brought the best of Allison technology, processes, people to make this the kind of product that customers buy with our transmissions. Quality, reliability, durability being front and center of the product development. As I mentioned earlier, this is really targeted at the European space. We have another product over there, the 100S and 130S, that is more for lighter duty applications, medium duty applications here in Europe, and tandem applications elsewhere in the world. So, last point there, we recognize even though an electric motor is an incredibly flexible component, there is no one-size-fits-all propulsion solution. And Allison is investing record-breaking amounts and developing a very broad electrified portfolio.
Yeah, thanks, Alex. Maybe just to talk a little bit about some of the real technical features and really some of the important items within this product. Really, it comes down to how well does it integrate within the existing vehicle chassis. As we think about the outward side of the center gearbox, these legs are set up to go with standard clamp groups, wheel ends, brake configurations, whatever's in the market today, that is going to integrate very, very seamlessly. As we get into the complexities of the gearbox, we have the 2 electric motors, which are actually running in parallel to the center line of the axle. The importance of that is really, we believe that's an efficiency advantage of this particular architecture because you eliminate that hypoid gear, and we think this gives us the best opportunity for the most efficient package, and we all recognize how important that is. Some of the other items that you'll notice is, integrated oil cooler on board. We have a water jacket that cools our interior permanent magnet motors. So that water is one of the application points for the vehicle. So we send that water in. The cooling of the drive oil is taken care of through that system. We have standard integration points for suspension, any types of members that go on to the traditional axle will be able to integrate seamlessly here to this product. You see the high voltage cables. This is where we connect to the electric motors on the AC side, and the inverter is a chassis mount for this particular product. Other areas and you cannot see this until you walk around to the back, but we have a low voltage connection, but then all of the sensing locations for the wheels is also done in the traditional locations on the product. So as you look at some of the other tech here in the booth, we also have a HoloLens that also allows you to go in and separate out the components and really see the interior of the gearbox. We also have a 3D experience around the side that also will break apart the E-axle, and you can see some of the components. We also have a standard differential, which is locking on this product as well, which is standard as part of the offering. So